Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking a high-scaling marksman and equipping a farming-friendly emblem. This gives early efficient stats. Immediately buy boots plus one sustain item, then head to the nearest lane. Focus, last-hitting minions and securing cannon waves. Once done, rotate into the jungle to clear small camps between waves. This doubles your gold per minute. Make sure to trade only when safe so you don't lose waves. Early discipline compounds into faster item spikes and map pressure. You now establish a mid-game rhythm. Alternate lane waves and quick jungle clears to keep steady income. Control wave timing. Freeze near tower when behind, slow push when safe to force enemy responses, and create gold windows. Use retribution or attack speed to clear camps in 6-12 seconds, and always reset to lane to pick cannon minions. Once done, translate gold into core items. This powers your fighting impact and shortens the time to full build so you carry more reliably. You enter the final stage by finishing core purchases and timing a group push for turrets or lord. This converts items into victory momentum. If kills happen, reset to farm quickly, then return to objectives. Don't chase low-value skirmishes. If things go wrong, pull back to safe farm patterns. Stay under tower, request peel, and rotate to uncontested jungle. One troubleshooting tip: when repeatedly zoned, swap lanes with a teammate or secure side camps to recover gold without risking death.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.